Hello guys, I'm recording this at like 5 p.m. maybe 6 p.m. so if I sound a little tired, then that's why. I forgot to mention in my previous part of this series that you can change the move time of your entity. Like let's say I want it to be 15 so it's more fair. I have to set both of these parts to 15, and then here I'd have to change this to 15.2. And I'd also have to change this. So I'd have to make this like slightly slower, like that. I like that, so it's more fair. Sorry if I sound really tired. I had a rough day. That's mainly why. I just had a rough day. Anyways, part 2. I'm just going to say something real quick. To make an entity that comes from the front, then just disable using direction and move this a little bit. I'm going to make one right now. So basically what you do, you copy your first entity. You reveal using direction false. Make sure the light doesn't seep in. So make sure the light doesn't seep in. So you need to adjust the range to be like 15 or something. And then find a new image. This is what I do. I thought it was scary face. I'm gonna try to find something. In this case, I'll use this face because it's really good. Change the color to be what you want. I'm gonna do this one with green color, so I'm just gonna make it pure green, like that. And now I'm going to change this rotation to 40, negative 40, and then 40 to be like that, because I'm gonna call this guy A40. And then basically after that, make the button. Do the same process we did in the previous video. Make the color of the button the same as the entity. And do the same thing with the actual color of the entity, like that. So they're both the same color. And then just paste the image into there. So I'm gonna call this guy A40. Then basically, you want to copy this entire system. For changing the ID just so people don't get the entities mixed up. And I might also make this guy a little faster. And then activate these. Sorry if I'm going too fast, you can slow the video down if you need to. And then do that. And then just, yeah, you can slow the video down if you need to. Basically it for a front entity. It's just, you basically do the same thing as an entity that comes from the back, except you just change it. I forgot to change the move time. Me being done. I'm gonna try to find a good sound.
Hey dog, get some ice cream? Only a spoonful.
I'll show you how to make a multi-monster in part 3 and a locker checker in part 4. I need to do here is I just need to, so that's 3 seconds. Now if I make it 2 times slower, it'll be 6 seconds. So I'll make it 4 times slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, music's back. Just so people can't stand on the buttons to hide, make them can glide false. Or another good strategy is to just push them against the ceiling, kind of like that, so that if people try standing on them, they fall. Anyways, next is a rebounder. I'm going to use what the heck is that basic? Okay, why did somebody resign Noah? Why is it actually not done? Another thing I try to search is scary colorful face. Even though it kind of gives you the same results. Scary color face also gets the same results again. Scary color, also same results for some reason. Now if I search color scary, then some things change. The order of the images. Yo, is that A350's new design? Nah, I'm kidding. That's the regular design. I'm going to use this Stacy Beers mod. So, I guess I'll call this A75. I'm going to leave this spot for A60 right here. I'm going to explore A60. I'm going to make A75 If you want them facing from the front or the back, copy this or this. Front, copy this one, and back, copy that one. So I'm going to make them from front to back. So anyway, also in part 5 I'll do clone spawners. If you want me to like play a game or something, then recommend it in the comments. And if I can't find it, then I'll probably reply and I'll ask you to send the link to the video. Not video game. And if I can find it, then I'll record a video of me playing it, and I will probably scream like a little girl. Okay, since he's like 75, I'm gonna make him kind of fast. I'm gonna do 7.5. Get it? Because it's got 75 again. Anyways, so once you have that part done, sorry if I'm going a little fast because I just speak fast. And then next, copy your system. You're not gonna need that. So multiply your things move time by 2, so this will be 15. It'd be kind of like a cooldown. Then for the activate parts button, just select your thing. It's kind of easy to do this one. I'll show you how to make a rebound twice if you want me to. And you can just repeat that over and over again to make a literal A1, A3. Yeah. Yeah. Thing. I told him thing because he's a thing. Let's spawn the one. Well, it is always good to check if your entities are. And also, it's a good idea to name them. reverse on your rebounder entity. That's why you always need to test your entities. I did that countless times when I was making a locker checker. And yes, I've made a locker checker before. It's actually really difficult. Trust me. That tutorial is probably going to be like 40 minutes tops. I'm pretty sure I'm only at 10 minutes with this one. It's a fairly simple tutorial. Yeah, let's get this one. Okay, I have to just... Nope. Sorry, I'm glad you scared Sam. You can laugh at me in the comments all you want. Okay. My life is already hard enough. Sound you need advanced tools, so I'll probably teach you how to make a warning after this. Warning for instance spawning. Okay, let's try it. Why I can't? I keep actually stepping on that one. I'm gonna keep it slow. Nope. If any of them sound too scary, maybe add them to like horror things. Also, to make your sound louder, then go to your music part and set the volume to something above the current volume. So also it doesn't need to be like although this needs to go to 0.2. Actually maybe 0.5. Make a rebounder entity. Hold on. I have to go over and look at say Mario. Okay, there we go. So, after we've made our rebounder entity, I'm going to show you how to make him rebound twice. What you want to do, take every single part of the rebounder entity system that isn't the respawn part, move it up by 2 studs. And then clone the button in the fading part and just move it down 2 studs so it fits in the gap. Activate parts, the same rebounder entity, and then just same that and stuff. For ones that are above 5, you're going to need to make a new rebounder entity. I'll show you how to do that after I do 3, 4, 5 rebounds. Yeah. If you need to, then make the sound play twice, like this. rebounds twice. Sorry, my dogs are just being lunatics. I have 3 dogs too. 3 cats, 3 dogs. Wait, why did you rebound the 3rd time? Yeah, it's some sort of bugs. Does that to me too? Bro, why did somebody invite me to TTD? I'm going to show you how to make over 5 rebounds now. For 6 rebounds, move your 2 rebound system up by 8 studs. And then just clone it 4 times, move it down 2 studs. It kind of looked like this. After that, just keep doing that over and over again. But then, once you hit 5, link it. You can't do it for the 6th one. So, clone this, move it a stud back. Same with that one. Use the one that is behind the real rebounder entity. So the one that is right here, I recommend separating it if it's needed. It's like separate from the real entity. And do that. And that's how you make a 6th rebound. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Why do I sound like Miku there? Normally if your entity is slow and it rebounds a lot, that just takes a really long time. So I recommend not doing it for slow entities. But yeah, he's gonna rebound 6 times because of that. I'm going to show you how to make an entity switch faces now. So I'm actually going to do this over here because it's kind of simple. Well, it's not kind of simple, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to show you how to make A60. So what you want to do, move the thing over here. Hold on. No! Sorry, my dogs were just messing around. They do that all the time. I might have to end the recording and do Multimonsters in part 3. Because I can't record my brother gets home or else he's going to say my real name and I can't let the audience hear it. I can't let you guys hear my real name. Because I'll get in trouble. Anyways. Search A60 in the image search plugin. And just find the things. Just find each A60 face. You don't have to put them in order. You probably won't even know the order of A60's faces anyway. I'm not trying to insult you. Scroll down, find sphere, do surface, rotation 0, right 60, left times 0.3. Or right 20, left times 0.3. That doesn't work. Then clone it, move it up a stud. New face of A60. Like that. And then do the same thing again. Also for A60, there's a way to make 2 faces show at a time. So I will do that. It's the 3rd face. I'm gonna skip the fleshy face because it's removed. Like it's banned on Roblox. So there we go. And this face actually comes from the game Earthbound. For A60, you're going to want to copy your system from your Russia entity. front or back, it doesn't matter. But instead of actually never mind, not but instead of do reset moving parts still. For this, I recommend making a 60s move time something that'd be fast, like 4 or 5 or 6, something like that. And then just add a random number from 4 to 8 into this fade time box to your 60th move time. So 4, I'm gonna do 4 plus 6, which is 10. So put that there. Use the reset moving parts button on all of your lava parts. Moving lavas, whatever it's called. Then do that. And by the way, if you make a checker entity rebound twice, I'm just gonna point that out now. If you make a checker rebound twice, then it can't be possible because you can't link 5 buttons to a part. Apparently, I don't know why Roblox does that. Okay, now we have that. I am going to take my A40 button, move it right here, make it red, unless the face you're using for A60's image is already red. In this case, mine is already red, so if I make it white, it won't really make much of a difference. And then make that invisible. And then just select all of these to make sure. You can select all of those, like double click the parts on the other ones to make sure you haven't accidentally duplicated it. The sound's just a placeholder. Gyro 60. I'll go into detail on face changing in a second. I just gotta fix my A60 real quick. Don't forget to move him to the middle of the room, or like somewhere that won't make him out of sight, like near the door or something. I'm gonna put him there. Now, for my next trick, place down a conveyor. We're going to make something I like to call an animation starter. Set your move to 0.5. Move the conveyor, resize the conveyor like this. It's not actually going to be used as something for animations, it's going to be used for A60. So after you have that down, then do this. Set your move to 0.1 to align it if you need to. It doesn't need to be perfect. Sorry, ignore my dogs. Then make that 0.5. You don't have to make everything 0.5. That's just what I do. You can be different. You can be unique. That's what I always try to do, but then I always get made fun of. Oh, there's so many dark web secrets in this video. Also, yes, that's actually true. Whenever I try to just be unique, people make fun of me. Then, after you make this, set the conveyor speed like 10. Add a pressure plate and not a button. A pressure plate, not a button, but a pressure plate. And just size it across your entire system. It doesn't matter what the Y angle is as long as it's like below 0.5. And then make can collide false. I'm just giving you something like this. And then make activation type random, push block activate, and player activated false, push block activated true, modify effects true, keep debounce at 0 because I have no clue what that does. And then just select all of your A60 faces for the pressure plate. Duplicate your pressure plate, double click edit, and double click objects. Make sure if it still has them selected by moving it up, and then yep. Add a respawn part. Make respawn push parts true. I recommend resizing it so it looks good, but people won't be able to look out of bounds anyway, so it'll be fine. That's just what I do. And then after that, place down a push block, resize it to fit the contraption. I think you can also do this with the drop down technique. Move it up to be above your conveyors, and there we go. I also recommend moving all of your faces down to like overlap them on top of each other, so that looks good. So that looks good. Hold on, I have to move every single face up a step. There we go. And there we go. You now have a fully functioning multi-monster. Look at it. It's amazing. There's another way to do it that I don't recommend because it looks bad. Look, it even works in here. It kind of flickers. And then, if you want, this is for only if you have advanced tools. Leave the game. Go to more in Roblox creator thing, and go to more in Roblox. Hit create. Go to store. Click audio, and search A60 static. Look for the one that says A60 static. Oh, it's not available on my browser. I'm going to use this one. Go to more info. Click the 3 dots. Click copy asset ID. Click the X. Click home. Go back into Obby Creator. I'm just joining a private server because why not? Claim a block. What?
You're on right now?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh. My phone like just died, and I was in the middle of talking to mom. I didn't know that.
Once I'm done recording. Also, don't say my real name. Sorry about the minor interference. So after that, go to the A60 system, which is this one. The one that makes A60 move. Delete the music part. Duplicate the system. Delete this button at the bottom and just move the respawn part up. instead of a button, delete the other button, but don't move it up. Spawn in a music part. Stretch it to fit the system. And then follow what I do. You can pause it if you need to. Button there, resize it to fit the system, parts invisible, and then you have to calculate how many times can 10 go into 3. Well, 3 go into 10. For me, that'd probably be 3 and a third, like 3 and a third, so 3.3. So I have to, no, actually just make the time 10. I forgot, you don't have to do all that complex math, and then just do that. Activate for others true, by the way. There we go. And now try it. Why doesn't it work? Hold on. I may have forgotten something. Ah, yes. Make this parts invisible thing activate that. Yeah, sorry if it's buggy. It just does that. And then spawn. This happens, then something may be wrong with your A60. Don't know what, but something is. That's highly unfortunate, but you can fix it. It's possible. Anyways, that's all I have for this video. Part 3 will be checker entities. Anyways, bye. Like and subscribe if you feel like it.